In this module, we're going to use the alerts inside our Fresh MVVM Xamarin Forms application. Now let me go straight to the welcome page model, and there, let's say when I press this sign in button, then we have to show some pop-up to the user. So inside this sign in method, we're going to call the alerts. Alright, now let me tell you that Fresh MVVM comes with these alerts, and in order to call the display alerts, we just need to call this core methods property, and with that we can pick all the methods for navigations and things like that. But we are interested to use the display alert. So let's add this display alert here, and basically there are two overload of this display alert. The one that takes 3 parameters, and then the second that takes 4 parameters. This first display alert will be in the form of following shape, and this second display alert will be in the form of following shape. There is only a slight difference between these two display alerts, and that is the accept button. Alright, we're going to use this display alert that comes with these 3 parameters. So here in the title, let's pass hi, and then in the message, let's pass this username property, and then let's add a cancel button that will close this pop-up when the user will tap this cancel button. Alright, now let me run this application, and here we are on the welcome page. Now I'm going to write something in the entry, and right after that, if I click this button control, then we will get the display alert or pop-up that shows our name that we have typed in the entry field. Alright, that's all from this display alerts with Fresh MVVM. Now in the next module, we will move towards the navigations. Alright, I will catch you in the next module.